a presence that demands attention. The definitive expression of automotive excellence.
Sculpted by aerodynamics, refined by obsession. Every line has a purpose. Engineered to conquer the road, with a stance that exudes pure confidence. A finish so deep, it reflects the world around it with flawless clarity. A symbol of heritage, performance, and uncompromising quality. Form meets function in a design that breathes performance. Illumination perfected. Technology that cuts through the darkness. A signature light signature that is instantly recognizable. Communication in motion. Every signal is a statement. Beneath this sculpted surface lies the heart of a machine built to perform. Aggressive styling that hints at the capability within. Aerodynamics aren't just designed, they are engineered for efficiency. Ground-hugging precision that manages airflow and enhances stability. Advanced sensing technology, hidden in plain sight. Eyes on the road, providing a complete view of your environment. A profile that flows uninterrupted, creating a sensation of speed even when standing still.
Sharp creases and fluid curves define a body in motion.
Muscular wheel arches frame the connection to the road. Lightweight engineering meets artistic design. Stopping power that matches the performance potential. Grip, precision, and control start here. Sculpted to minimize drag and wind noise. Safety integrated seamlessly into design, framing the cabin with elegant precision. The first point of contact, designed to welcome you.
Seamless access. The car anticipates your arrival.
Visual weight is lowered, grounding the design. A roofline that sweeps back in a single, elegant gesture. Merging the interior with the outside world. The design widens at the rear, emphasizing power delivery. Leaving a lasting impression is just as important as the arrival.
A lighting signature that is distinct and mesmerizing.
Immediate communication of intent. Clarity in every direction. A stamp of approval from the designers. Name that sets the standard. Complex surfaces resolve into a unified rear design. Managing airflow to the very end.
the acoustic signature of performance.
Effortless access to utility.
Practicality without compromising luxury. Every surface is finished to the highest standard. Step inside, and the world outside fades away. Handcrafted details that you can feel.
Set the mood. Your personal atmosphere awaits.
A cockpit designed around the driver, balancing technology and elegance.
Inside the new Tacoma TRD Pro, the fully digital instrument cluster activates, presenting vehicle information and advanced graphics with crystal clarity.
The connection between driver and machine. Control at your fingertips. Connectivity and entertainment seamlessly integrated.
Continue straight for 2 miles, then turn right onto the freeway entrance ramp.
Comfort, tailored to your exact preference. Materials selected for their beauty and tactility. Engage the drive. The journey begins. Adapt the character of the vehicle to the road ahead. Power without the cords. Everyday utility, elegantly hidden. Supportive, comfortable, and beautifully crafted. Find your perfect driving position. First-class accommodation for every passenger.
Space to relax and stretch out.
Comfort extended to the second row. Individual climate zones for total comfort.
Quiet luxury surrounds you from every angle. Keep your eyes on the road with vital data in your line of sight. An audio experience that rivals a concert hall.
Complete perspective of your surroundings.
Power, precision, and engineering excellence. Ride quality that balances comfort and agility. Grace in motion. More than just a vehicle, it is a statement of achievement.
Experience the exceptional.